So how can you make a loop audio in your Android phone? Let me show you some ways you can make it work. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so essentially you have more options, but the best way, in my opinion, is to get an app from the App Store, from the Google Play, which is called Audio Looper. So again, as I said, more ways or more apps which can get the job done, but this one, which is called the Loop Player, I actually quite like that because it gives me the ability to locate and sort through my files in here, so I can essentially scroll through the entire phone. And if I have like any MP3 or audio files in here, I can essentially import them into this app. So for example, if I just capture a voice recording, it's going to automatically appear in this list right here. So I can import it like that, and I can essentially loop it as many times as I want, right? So you can see that we have the ability to play around with that, and that is how you can make it work. So you can see that this is the ability that we have right here. So I really hope that I was able to help you out with this. Like, this is obviously, as I said, just one example of that. So there are apps which can get the same thing done, but this is a great app, so I don't see any reason to switch to a different one. So let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I really hope that I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna catch you in the upcoming videos as well.